The 2013 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless entry, cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.